This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credits goes to him. Hey guys, today we have latest console from China, the $69 fake PS5. That offers you 4K Ultra HD gaming, on your dreams. So without any delay, let's unbox this console. Wow, there is 2 controllers inside, now that's pretty dope. In the box we get, HDMI cable for console, a charging cable, powered by micro USB, 2 PS5 style controllers, powered by Xbox style, and PS3 style thumbsticks, but worse. And only left side thumbstick clicks. Real versus fake. Anyone can easily see the difference between controllers, buttons quality, in hands feeling, you can easily spot the difference. Now the console, it's kind of small, compared to the real one, and super lightweight. It has a power button, volume rocker and 2 USB port. And speaker? Now let's activate this console, and play some game, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Diablo, Game Boy version. FIFA, Game Boy version. This FIFA game actually is so good, still better than Switch version. Pepsi Man, Japanese version. Who watched Pepsi Man's funny ads? Let me know in the comments. I personally watched, they are so funny and entertaining. Now let's unbox the real PS5, and compare to fake one. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.